Okay, in the new office, it's absolutely cool, and I have got my whiteboard behind me, not quite set up yet. So today I just want to have do a quick video with you about if you're doing video ads, because I have people come to me saying, Tina, I tried video ads and they did not work. Well, there are two main factors you have to check. One is that do you have a warm audience already? That is, do you have an email list? Have you collected a lot of leads from lead magnets? Have you already done video ads to create a warm audience? And if you had tried to follow Laurel Portier's strategy, you need to check to see if your headline is polarizing, because if you have not got a polarizing headline, you're not going to have a specific warm audience that you can actually retarget to, which is where you're going to get your calls from. Now, if you don't actually call out the people who are your ideal clients, there's no point in doing this, okay? Now, this is just quick because I'm going to watch a film with my better half. So instead of me teaching you this on a video today, if you want to get this to work and you've been trying it, or you've got a email list of leads, or you've been doing lead magnets and you've got a list of people and you want to pull out the people who want what you've got right now, send me a message. Just send me a message on Messenger or WhatsApp. Go to my website. There's a way of just messaging me direct on WhatsApp. You don't have to put any details in, okay? And by the way, I don't spam people because I don't need to, okay? But I will send you the link to the document I made for some other people who came to me yesterday who they want to do this, but they don't have enough money right now to afford my services. So I've made this document for people anyway. And that's so they can go get some results so they can afford to pay me. So if you want that document, just send me a message and I'll send it over. Have a lovely weekend.